Oh hey guys, how's about an update on the Hubsan Zino 2 pre-order deliveries? Word is on the street that, just kidding, this is coming from the QC Guys YouTube channel. There's 296 units total being shipped out from Gearbest, and the estimated shipping date is February 14th. Now I'm going to go through a list of all the different packages that are going to be shipped. Now I already know that mine is not one of these because I contacted them directly because I didn't see that it was shipped in my order status, but I didn't order mine until January 11th. So anyways, so there are 88 Euro plugs with one battery and no bag being shipped out. There's 52 US plugs with one battery and no bag being shipped out. There's 24 Euro plugs with two batteries and no bags being shipped out. There's 24 Euro plugs with one battery with the bag being shipped out. Then there's 32 US plugs, two batteries with no bag being shipped out. And then there is 76 US plug with two batteries with the bag being shipped out. Now that's what I ordered. Unfortunately, mine has not went out yet, but they did tell me that they're expecting a third batch February 15th. Now how true that is, I'm not sure. I don't know how that stuff works. So hopefully it's true and I get mine soon. As you can see, it would be a great day to fly, maybe not tonight, but tomorrow, to get some real cool video footage, but that's not gonna happen because right now the only GPS drone I have is the JJRC X12 and it's a pile of crap. So I'm just gonna stand outside and fly my little $6 Rural King drone that flies better than my $250 JJRC X12. Well, there's your update. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna fly around for a little bit. This thing really is a blast. $6 drone, I'm outside in the snow. And it's flying like a boss. Look at that. This thing's amazing for $6. You only get about 4 or 5 minutes flight time, but that's why you buy two. Got his twin brother over there sitting in the snow. But boy, I can't wait to get that Hubsan Zino 2. I'm ready to fly a good drone. Woo! See you guys next time.